How to install WordPress using the WordPress Toolkit within cpanel. Click the WordPress Toolkit link. Within the WordPress Toolkit, you'll find a number of nice features. Let's go ahead and install WordPress. Now, in this case, we're going to install WordPress within the directory WordPress. Oh, and we're going to add a plugin set as well. All right, let's click Install. Now, it'll take a moment for WordPress installation to complete. Let's wait. Now that the WordPress installation is completed, we can either install more plugins or no thanks. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so let's look at more of the features of the WordPress Toolkit. We can log in from here. We can check for updates and even update WordPress plugins from here. Another nice feature of the WordPress Toolkit is the ability to make a backup or multiple backups. As long as your website account allows enough space, you can make as many backups as you like. Let's back it up again. Okay, so now that we backed up WordPress, let's go ahead and restore it to one of our prior backups. Let's click the Restore button. It's just that easy.